Here I have LENOVO Phab 2 Pro, and let me show you how to perform the hard reset operation on this device by using the LENOVO secret code. So let's start by using the home screen. Let's open the phone's dialer and let's use this code: pound 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 7777 pound. And this is the alert if you are aware of this operation. So if you know that this operation, the hard reset, will erase all personal data, customized settings, installed apps. Let's tap OK. So let me do it. And that's it. The phone is performing the hard reset, so let's be patient and wait until the whole operation will be complete. Excellent, as you can see, the welcome panel pops up, so it means that the hard reset operation is done. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.